was like moderate kind of, like most questions came from previous year's question paper, and like those who prepared well can do it better. I feel I personally haven't prepared much, so yeah, let the result come. No much comments.
So, which sections like were more time consuming? You find which part more technical?
Time consuming kind of PSM questions and pharmacology.
Can you share with us some topics that came in the exam?
Topics like
Questions from the topics that basically appeared
हाँ,
this
it's
year.
from gynae. Most of the questions were from labor, types of labor. I mean, delivery, types of delivery, and regarding
How was the exam difficulty level?
I think the questions were not very difficult, which would make the competition more difficult.
Okay, and were there any technical glitches at the center?
No. Oh, yeah, except for the humidity and the heat, everything was okay.
Okay, so did you like the change in the exam date that had happened recently?
It depends actually. Like for people who studied well, it was a boon. Otherwise, a big bane because the other people studied well.
Okay, so what was your exam strategy to prepare for it?
I didn't have much of a strategy. This was a very vague attempt, although I did study the entire syllabus. But I was not preparing for this year, but after the delay, I decided to give the exam this year as well.
Thank you. Hi, how was the exam difficulty level?
Paper was pretty straightforward, so most of the questions were a bit on easy and moderate side only.
Okay, so were there any technical glitches in the exam?
Some PSM questions were a bit on technical side, otherwise the paper was easy.
Okay, was everything smooth inside?
Yeah. Exam was conducted very smoothly. Everything was allocated on time.
And did you like the change in the date that had happened due to the Supreme
It
Court?
was good for me because I hadn't prepared that well in my internship, so I got that 2-3 months extra for preparation. It helped boosted my preparation.
So, any particular thing that you felt was time consuming in the exam?
No, not as such. The questions were pretty straightforward, so they were easy to answer.
Okay, thank you. Hi, how was the exam difficulty level?
No, it was moderate, not that much tough.
And were there any technical glitches in the exam? How would you rate overall sections in the exam that had come?
Like I will 8.
Okay, and did you like the change in the shift of the date that has happened?
No, actually not for. Actually, we are student. We know कि exam should early, and we'll free about that of hectic life.
Okay, thank you.